Hey, welcome back. We got a pretty exciting one here today. A couple knives from this seller. This is a guy I met at Maker Syndicate waiting in line overnight. And while he was there, he got one of these knives. I'm not sure where the other one came from, but he has a habit of getting very nice stuff. So I was able to buy two from him. One, a brown mini FSD that needs a little repair. So I'm gonna grab that and then probably send it to Craig over at Brown Knives if he will take it. And the second one, okay, looks like we got an empty pouch there. So I'm assuming both knives are consolidated into this box. Let's hope. Okay, that's good. By the way, don't do this. Like, these knives should not be touching each other while traveling, because as they shake, they're just gonna be scratching each other. So when you pack your knives, that is a bad strategy to save room on your shipping. A couple dollars more in shipping, or put something in between them, because you're talking about damaging very expensive knives. Bad strategy. So let's see if we see any damage there. Looks like we might have a little bit right here. So I'll chat with them about that. Not the end of the world, but not ideal. Luckily, both of these finishes are pretty forgiving to be just titanium on titanium. Not the biggest deal. So I don't see a huge amount of wear there or anything, but bad approach. So let's check action here. Very nice. This one's a little bit loose, so we need I think it's a T8. Do you also leave your T8 in your knife most of the time? That's my de facto. I don't know about you all. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. Boom, boom, looks good. This is Brown Knives Mini FSD number 212. So cool to have this one in the collection. Do you believe that would be a little bit of a chip in the tip, which was not advertised, unfortunately. But I'll take a look at that one offline. And then this was dropped and disclosed by the seller that this had this little ding here. So priced accordingly. Such a cool model. All right, this is the Lamia, and actually I was expecting, oh, maybe it's in here. Did I miss it? Not there, not here. I was expecting some washers or something to be included there, so I'll just check with them on that. But yeah, hand ground version from Maker Syndicate and K390. Oh, action is excellent. Sweet. That is very nice, and I really like this finish. Definitely a nice finish there. So yeah, two very nice knives here, and excited to add these to the collection. This K390 is a pretty rare one. I think he's only done that once, but I could be wrong. So you got K390 blade steel and a tan ground. Like, that's a pretty sick combo to have there. Just to compare this with the standard version, what does blades typically look like is like that. So definitely a noticeable difference in the aesthetic there. Get centering-ish, good-ish, maybe not. Let's see what we got. Good lockup. Very poppy. And I really like the handle finish on this one. This is pretty unique. I don't think he did a lot like this. Or had that kind of deeper micro milling, a bit more noticeable. Quite an aesthetic there. That's pretty sweet. So yeah, thanks to the seller for making these ones possible. That's about all we got for now. Just two more knives to think about what to do with in the collection. Always fun. Please like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Take care.